Hello, everybody. This is Miss Bryant, and we're doing, I think, what is like highly technologically advanced work here. This is a video recording of the announcements. So I am Miss Bryant. I'm your principal,
I'm Daviana.
I'm Sophia.
And I'm Grace.
and we have your announcements for you today.
This week's announcements, March 25th is food orders due for lunches. Make sure you get them. And then March 29th is the Fit-a-thon. Get your emails in. And then school is until noon. And then we have fun. And then we'll do the teacher raffles. And 8th grade t-shirts pre-order due is on March 29th. And April 1st through the 8th is 8th grade conferences minimum day, and that's when we get out 1 o'clock. And April 19th through the 26th is spring break, finally.
And I think we wanted to say on April 1st through 3rd, the conferences for 8th grade are not like the other conferences. It's really about the transition. Like, what are your fears about high school? What'll it be good? What'll be your strengths? What do you want to work on? So, but it's like really nice and safe. And then also, I want to remind everyone that on the 1st through the 3rd, there's no office hours. Sadly. Okay.
And then make sure that you send emails and get prizes for the Fit-a-thon. And the website to do that is pledgestar.com/IVA. And it's only 1 week away, so make sure you do that.
Yeah, big deal. And then?
So right now, we are 1/5 of the way to our goal. There we have $5,320.
That's a lot of money.
So
I think we're 1/4 now. I didn't update that, but 5,000 divided by 20 divided by 5,000, 1/4 of the way, which is really good. We've improved. We're doing good.
So we need like the 7th graders to be at the top, and the 6th graders to be
That's
the
right.
at the bottom. Yeah.
Right now. Yeah,
So
and I'm
come
gonna
on,
have to
7th graders.
think of some sort of like reward. Look, we'll decide the grade level that wins with the most amount
Get the free
raised.
dress day again?
Free dress day. I don't know,
We should get
popsicles,
cookies.
I mean, like the world is your
No,
oyster.
Nap time.
Nap time.
I
Like
like nap time.
we will talk with the grade level that wins about yeah,
homework
pass.
pass. Don't we
Homework
get
pass.
last year we got a homework pass?
I think there are homework passes rewards. So what we're trying to do is raise these funds for things outside of just the school functioning and having a small class size. The Fit-a-thon helps us with field trips, electronics in the classes, benches and shade, and just all the benefits.
Yeah, we really need.
We want shade, yes. Okay.
This
Next.
is the page that you will be looking at when you first do pledgestar.com/IVA.
Okay. So if everybody puts your emails in, then it's kind of like painless to raise funds.
Yeah, honestly.
Honestly.
And then for every $20 you raise for the Fit-a-thon, you earn 1 ticket. So that means the more money you raise, the more tickets you get. And then you get a chance at getting one of the raffle prizes.
And check out the raffle prizes.
If you go
Those are all the teachers?
and you win for
Yeah.
Mr. McCurry,
Yeah.
you get an in and out.
Yeah.
Really?
So
Oh,
if
yeah.
you raise $200, you'll get 10 raffle tickets, and you can put them all in Mr. McCurry's in and out lunch, or you can spread them out. What are the ones that you guys like here?
I
the
want
principal.
Mr. McCurry.
I want the
like
principal.
Miss Bryant.
The principal for a day where you bring teachers coffee or tea or hot cocoa. That's
Yeah.
all that a
I
principal does.
want Miss Schmidt because you get
Yeah.
burger and doodles.
Yeah.
What is doodles?
Doodling, I
I
think.
think just.
Hand
Try-
lettering practice. Oh my goodness.
Oh, I want to learn.
So this
that.
is in addition
No.
to, okay, I'm going to jump a screen, but this is in addition to the cash prizes for the
I
top
want
winners.
AirPods.
Or-
I'm cool off of AirPods. I
or-
just want money.
And that's like
Yeah.
I think a raffle
Once you
too.
get the
And
money,
these
then
are
you can
all the
buy
pictures
AirPods.
from last year's Fit-a-thon, and I'm in one of the pictures.
Is that Miss
with my
Flower?
friends. Yeah, and
No,
me.
that's a miss.
There's Miss
That's Miss
Flower
Flower,
up
and
there.
Miss
Miss
Dennis,
Dennis.
and then
Check this out.
Look
Look at
at
all these
Tyler.
great Tyler. That was a fun
Is that
game
Frank?
with
Was
the.
that Frank?
no.
Yes,
Yeah,
there's
that's
Frank.
Frank. That's Frank.
But that was such a fun game. Oh, look, popsicles! You get popsicles. See, I
You
like.
have to pay.
But you have it's $1, and the food is really good when at the Fit-a-thon.
Can you guys make the face that I was making in that picture?
I
Okay.
don't know.
And look how much fun it is. All we do
Oh,
is
look
like
at
take
LD.
pictures and play, and it's a school day. And so the way that it works is there'll be 9 stations, 15 minutes each. We're going to have a DJ with 70s, 80s, and 90s music.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Really.
About the 2000s music.
No, 2000s. So old.
No.
I don't know. Legacy. I don't know. Okay. And then
Money.
to get you to put your emails
Money.
up, we're giving you just
Money.
money.
I want money.
All I want is money.
And then, Sophia, tell us about this slide.
So the 8th grade shirt orders are due next Friday for the class of 2019, but anyone can order if you want a shirt.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, we're like at our
Baby
announcement time, so we
pictures.
have to like end on a high note.
Yeah.
These are cute baby pictures. Can you guys guess who this is?
Well,
Yes.
I know.
That one's Jade.
Jade.
That one's Aaliyah.
Aaliyah.
Sophia. And I don't know who that
Sophia. Sophia's this Sophia.
That's Sophia.
And then look at how cute Latrell is with his baby picture and him. That's
Wait,
like a
who's the
smug
one with
look.
the dog? Who's the baby?
Oh,
The dog.
it's the Stalls. It's the Sabrina and Brandon.
Oh.
Okay, and there's a club. The CD Club is returning, and they do Photoshop and things like that.
What club is that?
It's
CD
Adrian
Club.
Luquin's club. So if you're interested, I don't actually know when they meet, but you need to talk to Adrian. And everyone, it is time for the virtue ceremony.
Good
We
luck.
would like to dismiss you to your locations.
Uh,
And from all of us, have a wonderful weekend.
I wanna-
Bye!